You see this year, we know the agree for Deriv. This year, we no go agree for Deriv. Me and Deriv, I know agree for am this year. Hello, my people. How fun now? What's in the happen? So today I want to show you guys how to make money on VIX75. Yeah, VIX75. So there's this secret everybody needs to know. Everybody must know this secret. All right. So if you stay close, watch this video to the very end, you're going to learn this strategy, this secrets about VIX75. You know, VIX75 is like it's being traded by almost all the traders, be it currency traders, everybody are trading these assets. Okay, so you need to know how to trade VIX75 because it's very, very volatile, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're likely gonna blow your account. All right, so I want to show you guys my secrets, how I've been manipulating the market, the VIX75 markets, that how I've been making good consistent profits. All right, so in this video I'll show you guys my strategy, all right, my own trading system, the way I've been going about trading VIX75 without fear and making consistent profits. All right, but you know the funniest thing, this signal was given to me by my own students. I'm so embarrassed. No, I'm so proud of myself because this signal was given to me by my own students, and this student happens, she just joined a lady for that. She just joined our platform, my academy, not up to a month now, but she's doing amazingly well. Like, she joined the platform last month and we are learning, okay, just like a month now, we are learning effectively and she's doing amazingly. Like, she swings trades, all right, she's a swing trader. Like, she just asked me in the class, sir, how can I become a swing trader? Which one is better? And I told her everything she needed to know. And now she's a swing trader and she kills the market back to back. All right. So without wasting your time, all right, it's your boy Etiforex, your best mentor, right? I'm giving you guys this top secret. Everybody needs to know how to trade the VIX75, the almighty VIX75. So smash the like button, subscribe. Yeah, like button is very important. Okay, you need to like our video, and also always try to watch the video to the end because most of the important part is always in the middle or the end of the every video. All right, so and join a free Telegram channel. Check the description of this video to join a free Telegram channel, guys. Drop some good comments, share this video with friends. All right, everybody needs to know the secret in VIX25, else you're gonna learn the hard way. So okay, yeah, so this is my reason for VIX75. Okay, you can see, let's go to 4 hours time frame, though I love starting from my daily, but let's go to 4 hours time frame for the sake of time. All right, so this is 4 hour time frame. You can see on the 4 hours, we have a strong downtrend. When I say downtrend, even any of my students would tell you this is a downtrend. Even a 5-year-old would tell you this is a downtrend market. But then there are some people that will still be convinced or still be confused, thinking that this is a bullish market because it's going up at that point, but this is still a strong downtrend. This is a main reason you should join the academy, all right, to know this stuff yourself. So this is still a strong downtrend. It's still a strong downtrend because you can see when we are moving down, we move impulsively, right? Impulsively downward, right? So yeah, this is a strong downtrend on the VIX75 on the 4 hours chart. All right, so you can see since this is a strong downtrend, we'll be looking when markets make something like a pullback, because what we have here is a pullback. You know, my video, there's no how you watch my video that you will not learn anything. There's always a secret. I'm always revealing something that even my student will be so pissed and be like, they paid so much money and then I'm giving it out for free. But I don't mind because I want to give to the community. Like, I want everybody to be successful. Everybody must be successful, right? I can never give everything though. So yeah, like I said, it's a strong downtrend. And when it's in a downtrend, all you need to wait for a pullback to the nearest resistance or a key resistance, and you strike and look for, yeah, a strike for a sell. You go for a short, open a short position and make your money, right? So it's a strong downtrend. And I figured when my student called me earlier, she sent the screenshot to my my Telegram. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is so that it will not look like I'm lying to you guys. This VIX75 that she sent to me, she entered VIX75, all right? So, and she asked me to tell her what's going to happen and what's going to happen. Then I told her. She also sent VIX25 to me, which I told her VIX25 is not okay. I don't really like VIX25, all right? You can see when she sent, I wasn't online, then she had to call. She called, and when I checked, I told her they are good setups. I prefer the VIX75, though they are having the same setup bit. I can't see much on the VIX25. And she said, thank you. And honestly, VIX25 did not go well because she closed out and VIX25 started buying, all right, instead of selling, just like I told her. But VIX75 still running good profit till now, right? So look at where she's targeting. Look at where I'm targeting. I'm targeting up this level, but she's targeting because she's a swing trader. All right. So look at the level of confidence that she has in the market. Someone that just jumped into the market just like 3 weeks ago. So that's it. That's my student for you. We are good. Like, my students are so good when it comes to trading. They have this confidence because I've injected that into them. Yeah. All right. So it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. When she sent the signal, I was like, I wasn't too sure. I wanted to see, have a good confirmation, a bearish momentum. So I waited till when I had a bearish momentum. We are about to hit our TP1. So when I had the bearish momentum, then I gave the call on my VIP. I gave my VIP and they are in good profit. Somebody just made over 180 something dollars, right? Yeah, with this one signal, and some are still running, right? So, and the person just joined the academy immediately. So now look at this. This is a downtrend, like I said. So when it's pulling back, you're looking for a resistance, a key resistance zone. So where is your resistance zone here? My students know this. This is my resistance zone right here, guys. This is my resistance. Why is it my resistance? Because market, there was a reversal here before, and there was another reversal here. We had market reversed here and reversed here, right? I love showing you guys this. Another one here, another one here. So I entered TikTok and somebody said something about those that are trading support and resistance, that they are not profitable. I was just looking at the guy. I know that the guy is a new person in the market, and very soon he will understand the market and he will bow to price action, to support and resistance. You cannot do without support and resistance. You can call it demand and supply, but it's still the same thing. All right. So that's my resistance, right? The guy said resistance does not work, support and resistance does not work, that we are the terrible traders. But look at that. It just reversed the price and we are making good profits. So the idea of trading is to make profits. It's not just to beautify your charts, it's to make profits, consistent profits. All right. So now that's our resistance, and where is our support? So after getting your resistance, the next thing you'll be looking for will be your support, right? You'll be your support. So I would like to put another level here because I have my reasons why I'm putting another level right there. Okay. Okay. So now after I have discovered my resistance right there, so now where is my support? Where is my support? I'm looking for my support. I realized that there was a reversal here, key strong one here around this level here. All right, there was a reversal right there, and I know that markets might want to do something like this. Want to create an inverted head and shoulder at this level. Might want to drop to this point. I'm teaching my student all this stuff. Want to drop to this point and then move back to this point to complete the structure to form an inverted head and shoulder. So in case market wants to do something like that, it will meet my TP before it reverses around that support, around that zone, right? So you can see you need to be very flexible. You need to be very smart when you're trading. It's not about being greedy and expecting to make more money. You need to be very, very flexible, right? So now if it reverses, we'll be looking to buy up to this point again, right? So you can see that. So now that's my reason for putting my TP, my second TP right there. And so let's move to a lower time frame. So on the 1 hour chart, you can see we started having some weakness here, bullish weakness here. You can see when I say bullish weakness, we start seeing the shadows, market rejecting over and over. So I waited for this weakness, right, to see market losing this volume momentum. bullish momentum. Then I start seeing bearish candlestick, strong bearish move. Then that was my reason for the sell. So my first entry was here, this red candlestick. My entry, there was the reason for my entry. I entered around this level because of this red candlestick, and there was a reversal. Market pushed back to this level to create something like a double top or something. I don't know what you want to call that. To this point, then it started reversing again, and my SL was just quite close. So, and another thing you need to know, if you join my academy, you need to know where to hide your SL. Your SL you must hide your SL because they are hunting your SL. So you must hide your SL. So my SL was somewhere above this level, and market dropped. Market started dropping, and you can see we are very close to our TP1. Then after that, we'll be smashing our TP2 in no time, as if it's nothing, right? So yeah, so that was my SL here, my entry here. Now I just moved my SL below my entry in case I probably fall asleep and market decide to do its stuff and start coming back to my entry. It will just hit and close with little profit. All right, so yeah, so we are approaching our TP1. Very soon we hit our TP1. And why did I set my TP1? You can see this kind of a zone here because we see a long rejection. So market might want to reverse around this level. Guys, I'm giving out free knowledge. Like, nobody's doing this. A lot of people are hiding this from you guys. They are not giving this knowledge because they want you to come to their class and learn. And most of them don't even know what they're teaching you. All right, I'm better than your mentors. Trust me, even the ones that are driving fast cars. So I'm doing better. Like, I will be there to explain everything for you to understand, right? So look at that. So now our TP1 right there, and then our TP2, and you can see where I place my TP2 above the support or above this zone, so that if market wants to reverse, it will just hits this level, because this is an area on your chart, not a price point. So it might decide to, reverse or start reacting close to this zone and reverse, right? So, but if it breaks this zone, that means it's actually coming to this low. It's actually coming to this low. And then I can still look for an entry and shut it down to this low, right? So it's better than me targeting this low, then it not hit. It might break the low because it's still a downtrend, right? So that's it, guys. You just have to be smart, okay? So join the academy. The February this thing batch is still open right now. The portal is still open. You can still join, sign up and join. It's just $60, and the $60, your lifetime VIP signal is included. Okay, as you're making payments, you're getting signals, so you're actually earning as you're learning. All right, so that's it. Like, it's just like a bonus to help you make money while you're still learning. All right, so that's it. I gave this signal to the VIP member. If I show my VIP, we are winning most of our trades. Okay, so this is my VIP. You can see this testimony from my students. It just made $120 something and still counting. Yeah, this is my VIP. This is the call I gave, right? The call I gave, and this was yesterday. All the signals were in good profits. We made so much profit, guys. Even the currency market, we're killing it. We are the best, bro. We are the best. Trust me, bro. You're the best. So we're killing it, right? We're making money back to back, guys. So this is not a scam zone. We don't scam anybody. You pay and get the value, right? So that'll be all, guys. I love you. Bye bye. It's up. TP1 down. Don't play, else you can't learn. You see, this year we know the gree for Deriv. This year we no go gree for Deriv. Me and Deriv, I know the gree for around this year. So much money. My people are cashing out. They need to join this platform. We're killing it. TP1 is down, man.